Start 2021 by investing in yourself. New career in tech, making 80K or more is the best investment you'll make all year. We're all guilty of going into New Year's with a new year, new me mentality, and nothing ever changes. Instead, make 2021 the year of new year, new career. Uvaro is a 12-week online bootcamp that leverages your past experiences and teaches you everything you need to do to break into a new sales role at a growing tech company. And with everything that happened in 2020, a job in tech has never been a safer option. On top of helping you learn how to land your dream job, we want to help you look your best while you sell your best. The first 21 signups for our January cohort will receive for free this Tech Sales Survival Kit. This includes ring light kit, microphone, whiteboard and markers, Uvaro swag, and of course some fantastic sales training books. All of this together is worth over $150. Our January class starts soon. If you've ever considered joining the rapidly growing tech industry, now's the right time. There's never been a better time to invest in yourself. Just follow the link at the end of this video to learn more and click the Apply Now button to get the process started and to secure your package. They won't last long, so be sure to act quickly. If you have questions, our team members are always happy to chat, and we'll talk soon. Hope you have a happy holidays and a wonderful new year.